हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय वियतनाम ट्रैवल सीरीज़। आई नो ये बहुत लेट मैं वीडियो डाल रही हूँ, बट अभी थोड़ा बीच में हम बिज़ी हो गए थे तो इसलिए मैं एडिट नहीं कर पाई। तो ये है हमारा वियतनाम डे 2। तो आज हमें जाना है हालोंग बे, जो कि एक क्रूज़ जर्नी है। सो या आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस डे 2 ट्रिप इन वियतनाम। तो हालोंग बे जाने में हमें 2 से ढाई घंटे लगेंगे, तो इसलिए फिर हम अर्ली मॉर्निंग निकल गए थे। और ये है बीच में रास्ते के थोड़े से क्लिप। होप यू एंजॉय गाइस। यहाँ पे हमारे टूर गाइड थोड़ा हमें हनोई की हिस्ट्री के बारे में बता रहे थे और एक दो वर्ड नए सिखा रहे थे।
Cảm ơn is mean thank you. Yeah. So you want to learn Vietnamese, right? You can tell me. I would like to teach you language, right? Is the one. Cảm ơn. Yeah, cảm ơn is mean thank you. So talk about the language and about the Judaism. So body, right? Because you know Vietnam we have 54 ethnic group. So that's why Vietnam is the country of the Judaism. But you know in Vietnam we have Buddhism, Catholic, yeah, Muslim, Hinduism or Islam, right? We are mostly all Vietnamese people we are Buddhist. Yeah, Buddhism like the biggest. Judaism Vietnam and Catholic is the second. Buddhism comes to Vietnam by two ways. The first way from China, the second way from India. That's why Buddhism between South Vietnam and North Vietnam different. Because you know the North of Vietnam we get influence Buddhism from China, but you know the South of Vietnam we get influence Buddhism from India. So it's different about practicing, different about the worshipping. And then we use the lunar calendar. That's why we often go to pagoda or temple twice per month. We go on first day of lunar month and second time day 15 of lunar month. And then we welcome Lunar New Year, same with some country in Asia, right, Body? Yeah. So that's about the Judaism. So Body, how long do you stay in Vietnam, Body? How long? 1 week only. So I think I recommend Body to stay longer, right? 1 month. To see. Yeah. Because along my country, right, we have many beautiful spots, right? If you love nature or mountainous area, they can come to the Hà Giang, or you can come to Sapa or Mai Châu, right? You can come to the Ninh Bình, Ninh Bình.
दो से ढाई घंटे की जर्नी पूरी करने के बाद पहुंचते हैं पर्ल म्यूज़ियम में। और यहाँ पे मैं आपको पूरा इन डिटेल वीडियो दिखाऊंगी कि यहाँ पे कैसे ये लोग पर्ल से ज्वेलरी बनाते हैं, कैसे पर्ल को निकालते हैं शेल से। तो वो सब इस वीडियो में है। यहाँ पे ये जो आप येलो ड्रेस में देख रहे हैं, ये हमें पूरी यहाँ पे समझा रही हैं कि क्या प्रोसेस होता है।
And white. You see many color on the shelf. That is the color of the pearl. But white and gray is the most popular color pearl. So I will show you how we make the culture pearl by implantation. Yeah. So we have some Agoya oyster, 18 months years old baby oyster, and still alive. It can live here without water for 5 to 6 hours. And a typical process have only 2 steps. Step 1 and step 2. So at step 1 first, you see. Follow here first. Yeah, not here. You see, at step 1, the worker will choose a strong oyster. We cut and open like that. Look at the oyster. You see, we call that is the membrane. So we will cut the membrane surround the body of the oyster. After cutting, we put membrane in here, and we divide into small pieces like that, about 15 to 20 small pieces. And we need to use the antibacterial, keep the membrane fresh and alive. Because after cutting from the oyster, it can live here in 30 minutes, and it's very important for step 2. Okay, so now you can follow step 2. Yeah, yes. Okay, see, you see first, and when she do it again, I will show you again. Okay, she put membrane and something in here inside. Okay.
How many
pearl in one oyster?
With seawater pearl only 1 to 2 pearl, maximum 1 to 2 pearl only, not many like the freshwater pearl. So a step 2, see to another one, still alive. Let's open the oyster. After that, she will cut a small line about 1 centimeter. And go not part where the pearl is grow up. Not cut too wide because too wide the oyster can be died. So very small line in here in the body of the oyster. Okay. After cutting, she will put 1 piece of membrane, 1 or 2 piece of membrane. Okay, you see, implant inside. Also with 1 core, C-O-R-E core. We put together with the membrane stick slowly inside the coconut pulp. But I will show you. That is the core we put inside. So do you know what material of this core we made from? Can you get the material?
What is the material?
Can you guess? Some material. So we made from the shell. From the oyster shell. Not plastic, not coral, not stone, only the shell. And day by day the oyster will create the nacre, cover the core, cover many layers of nacre. Didiagoya, after 2 to 3 years, it will cover the core and it create the culture pearl like that. Okay, so when I cut in half this pearl, you can see the white core inside the pearl. That is the culture pearl with 1 core inside. You see 1 white core inside? And the thickness of nacre cover the core. Okay, you can see 1 white core inside. 1 white core inside the pearl.
Yeah.
And the thickness of nacre cover the core. Okay. Yes, and you know X-ray. We use the X-ray. You heard about the X-ray? X-ray? Yeah, so we check, we know it have the pearl, but don't know about the quality or the color. So yeah, just see. Yeah, you see 1 pearl to implant 1 core only. Make 1 pearl. Yeah. Okay. Let me clean. It's not perfect, but that is a real pearl, you know. Okay. After 2 to 3 years. Okay. With this pearl, it's not round, not shiny. So you know, 50% when we open the oyster, the pearl is imperfect like that. It's the B level. Only 10 to 20% have the highest quality. So with this pearl, we put to the B level. Okay. And you see, with this pearl here, sometimes we make the jewelry because some people like the imperfect pearl, but sometimes we craft to the pearl powder and we made in cosmetic industry. Okay, yes, I put in here. So now to see many different quality of pearl, can you follow me to the museum? I can.
तो ये है पर्ल म्यूज़ियम जहाँ पे डिफरेंट टाइप की सारी पर्ल्स की ज्वेलरी थी। ये यहाँ पे सेट्स, इयररिंग्स हैं, सेट्स हैं, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल थे ये। तो यहाँ पे बस वही सब है पर्ल म्यूज़ियम में। आप लोगों के साथ अपनी क्रूज़ जर्नी का व्लॉग शेयर करेंगे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।